Scan and QR code winner 25 rand. Upon entering the stadium, you have the right to verify whether the security service provider deployed is registered with CIRA. Visit www.cira.co.za to confirm their registration and training status for event security. Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 160,000 subs! Welcome to Amavenzo TV. It's the Carling Black Label Cup. Orlando Pirates 1, Marumo Kalan 0. I'm joined by Emmanuel.
Sure, Steve.
Yeah.
Ngithanda ukubonga mfowethu. I-apology yakho ngiyayithatha ne.
Yeah.
Uyindoda.
Yeah.
Wabona mawumoshile ubuye uzocela icolo. Ngiyakucolela. Mara udlile uthole 10k ne?
Yeah.
10k. Ngiyabonga mfowethu. Yeah, ijoke yakho ithatha imhlaba wonke.
Ngifuna ukubuza into eyi-1. Awunhlaba ngiphi?
2 minutes.
Ngiyadlala.
Ngiyindoda. Sure mntwana yami. Steve, ibhola mfowethu limnandi. Sihlangana nabangani, sihlangana nabompimpi la, namakhosi, namasandawana, namarabastata. So webona ibhola esenza ukuthi sibe bangana mfowethu. Ngibengabazi la majita uyabona. Nawe ngibengakwazi mfowethu. So kuncedile mfowethu. So ibhola limnandi wabona kuyazi support Pirates is not a mistake and it's not a flop. Ngizophinda ngibuyelela equality football amakhosi beba supporta Marumo. Then siyaniyazisa bafowethu next season ticket le Pirates because nibonile quality football. Next season ticket le washa igame ye Pirates 90 minutes. It will be 400 rand. It will be 400. Niyabona ukuthi awufani nale nto niyenzayo lapha eFNB nakuphi. I-stadium nesigcwalisa mara nidlala idoti. Nidlala idoti bafowethu. So ingabi nemona. Labantu support banayo bafowethu. Then thina i-team yethu siyayisupport and isinikeza ama-result right. That's why we're always filling up i-stadium. That's why i-Pirates la iyakhona siyayilandela. So angifuni ukudla isikhathi Steve. Asibe ne-Christmas emnandi. Bafowethu. 2 more cups are coming. 2 more cups. It's a Nedbank and league. They are coming. Siyathatha. So 4 pool. So bane 4 yama-cup this season. Then i-mistake lesiyenzekile so ilungisa ku-CAF next season. Thank you very much. Did you know you can also verify the registration status of security officers by scanning the QR code on their CIRA identification card?